Check out this 2016 Ford C-Max. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this versatile C-Max, the comfortable four-door compact hybrid hatchback that blends earth-friendly fuel efficiency with practical features designed to meet the demands of your busy lifestyle. You'll love its connected tech and expandable cargo capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. With this C-Max, you'll get the advantages of hybrid efficiency without sacrificing driving pleasure. Why not treat yourself to a test drive? Our friendly and professional team will make it the best part of your day.